Hello traders, I'm Jason from Forex. Today I have got another forecast about EURJPY for the upcoming week. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with EURJPY. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis with the current market structure of EURJPY on hourly time frame. And on hourly time frame, if we zoom out a bit, we can clearly see that bullish momentum is still in control and creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And last Friday, we saw that after this break of structure, market pulled a little bit, creating an internal market shift, but this can be false breakout. So we will wait for this structure low to get broken so that we can expect a pullback move. So market is currently in a small range, but we think that market may mitigate this little order block, and after that market will give us a change of character and initiate a pullback. If we hide our drawings and go to higher time frame like daily time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that on higher time frame market is also bullish, and most probably market is going after this order block which has imbalance just around it. So this can be a pullback move for another bearish run. If I go to 4-hour time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that market is reacting from this supply zone. So we can expect that we might see a bearish market flow entering the market at the beginning of the week as a pullback. So we'll be looking for short setups. But before we look for short setups, we want this change of character to happen, or if we get enough confirmation on lower time frame like M15 time frame, then we can look for sell setups to play out this pullback move. But after the pullback move, we should be careful about this and this order block, because market may give us a heavy reaction from this order blocks and continue its bullish run once again. So let's see how the market develops this week for EURJPY. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. EURJPY biases potentially bullish this week, but we are expecting a pullback, so you can look for short setups on M15 bearish market flow till market reaches this or this order block. So we'll be looking for buys from this order blocks, and we'll be looking for shorts on M15 time frame bearish market flow. So from what I see in the charts, I think EURJPY might keep going up this week, but after a pullback. So just follow lower time frame bearish market flow to look for short setups till market reaches this 50% retracement level. That's all for our EURJPY forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot for more helpful information about Forex market. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.